Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake deviled strawberries step by step. Start by chilling and softening the cream cheese, then wash and fully dry your strawberries so the filling sticks. Hollow each berry gently with a small spoon or melon baller without piercing the bottom. Whip cream cheese with sugar, vanilla, and a splash of heavy cream until silky. Transfer to a piping bag and prepare to fill and chill. Make a light, creamy filling by beating softened cream cheese with sugar and vanilla until silky and slightly airy. Fold in a couple tablespoons of heavy cream to loosen the texture so it pipes cleanly without collapsing. Test consistency on a plate and adjust with more cream or a teaspoon of lemon juice to balance sweetness. Keep the filling chilled briefly if it becomes too soft while you prepare the strawberries for filling. Pipe a generous dollop of cheesecake filling into each hollowed strawberry, smoothing the top with the back of a spoon for a neat finish. Sprinkle crushed graham cracker crumbs, a dusting of cocoa, or a tiny fresh berry on top for contrast and texture. Arrange on a chilled tray to set, and refrigerate for at least 20 minutes so flavors meld and the filling firms properly before serving to guests or packing for a picnic.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.